Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard F1. Please store your baggage in the overhead compartment. Only small baggage and accessories must be placed under the seat in front of you. If you can store your baggage in the overhead compartment, it will be placed in the hold and delivered on the carousel upon arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This is Jean-François Poirier, your captain tonight. We welcome you with Jean Bertin, your first officer, on this Luxuryavgeek en route to Nice Airport. We are fully ready now to start up the engines, and 1 hour and 15 minutes to reach destination. The weather will be nice en route and at destination. I wish you a very good time.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may leave your seat once the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. During the flight, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to facilitate our check in case of turbulence. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing shortly. Please fasten and adjust your seatbelt. Please stow away your table, the cup holder, disconnect any wire from your in-seat USB socket and open all window blinds. E-cigarettes are not permitted and smoking is prohibited. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nice at Nice Côte d'Azur Airport. It is 35 past 10 p.m. You may now deactivate flight mode. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the remaining seat sign has been switched off, and be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items may fall out. We thank you for flying with Air France. Air France is Katie Parter. Wish you a pleasant evening.
Faites sous porte, s'il vous plaît. Désarmement des toboggans et vérification de la porte opposée.
Ladies and gentlemen, your captain again. Thanks for